What's up, YouTube? Hey, it's Dale again. Just bringing you another quick update on a Slacker bus build. Let me get the camera turned around and I'll show you what we got going on. First off, let's start over here. You can see we got us a pile of wood. We bought this last week. We got it all cut down to the different sizes that we could get out of the boards. And I started using some of them, and this is what we got to work with so far. We do have another pallet about this size coming later on in the week, and we'll have to get it cut down and use it. They got some projects around here that they're going to use it with, for and with, so we got plenty. So that's one of the main things that we got done last week, was getting this all cut up. And you come around here, you may notice that we've changed locations a little bit. We just across the street from where we were. It's getting into the winter season, so they try to use this house during the winter. It's got a garage and it makes it a little bit easier. Here's Christina's van. It's been moved over here as well. I don't know if you can see it up top there, but she actually got her Max fan installed yesterday, and unfortunately, she has to go back to New Jersey. I think she's leaving this afternoon. She's got a job that she's got to get back to. But she'll be coming up every other weekend or so to work on her van with Michael and get it done. Let's walk over here to the Slacker bus, see what's been happening with it. We'll start off on the outside. Basically, I think since the last update, I actually got the side table put on. This board that I'm using for the table may at some time get replaced, but for right now, the main thing I'm trying to do is get all the penetrations from the outside of the bus to the inside done, so that when it does get spray foamed, we don't have to worry about that. Also up top, I don't know if you can really see them. Let me see if I can get this thing to zoom in a little bit. But we got all the rooftop deck mounts installed. We had installed 6 of them in Florida this past summer, and we got 6 more and got them up here. So now we'll be able to put a full deck on the roof. Also here and down there are the mounts for the shade cloth. I'll be using those and a couple of turnbuckles to tighten it up, and at some point I'll get a video with those, up and show you what it looks like. Out here today, we got the bed frame. I got it all cut down, and I'll be spraying it with polyurethane. And look at this, coming in late. What's happening, Mike, Gina? What do y'all got going on today?
I'm editing a video of your roof deck mounts and your fantastic fan and all that stuff.
So if you guys really want to see some detail on that, go over to Mike's channel.
That might actually be the promise. I'm editing it right now, and I'm going through that. Man, I swear, I know we did a lot, but I thought we filmed more. And I think it was one of those scenarios where we were just all so busy and having fun that then I just kind of there was just less footage. Well, we just get confused, sometimes.
What about you, Jeannie? You got anything happening today?
I gotta get the rest of the stickers off the bus, but now we have to go to O'Connor's and get the fuel filters.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
And Rick.
Yeah, and Rick.
I saw Rick going up the road here a few minutes ago. He was headed north. Anyway, whatever.
Oh, I just got a call. It says he's over at O'Connor's waiting for me.
Oh, okay. Well, then y'all need to get going.
Yeah. Exactly.
All right, let's get back to the update. So anyway, on the outside here on the table, I actually installed a USB and a 12-volt port for charging and running stuff. Don't know if you can see that, but there's the 12. And then the USB's over here. Also, a little work light with an on-off switch. And then this bolt right here is so that when the table is in the up position, that'll go through there, and the wing nut will hold it tight to the bus and it won't be rattling. Let's see, what else? Come around the back, I'll show you kind of what's going on inside here. There again, with this wood, it's a rough cut lumber, different patinas on different boards, but what I decided to do was just use that rough cut lumber and that patina for the floor. So I got all the floor installed all the way up to the front. Also, I've got the wheel wells, the boxes made for them, so when they spray foam, it'll be boxed in and I'll make it nice and tight. There again, I already had all the strapping done. We actually put in the Fantastic Fan yesterday when we did Christina's, so we all got fans. Right now the water tank's just sitting in here just so I can get some kind of spacing and know what kind of room it's taking up. Other than that, let's see what else. Let's go back around the front, come on inside and get a better look. But uh-oh, there they go. There's Christina. Christina, you're leaving today?
Most likely, yeah.
Well, it's been fun. Come on back, hurry back.
I will.
Yeah, wait till tomorrow. You don't need to go today.
I can't. I have to be at school tomorrow. You didn't get the email, did you?
Yeah. All right, so anyway, come on back in here. Right now I've got the step leveler out of this, and just because it needs to be cleaned. This is actually, if you look down here, I don't know if you can see it, and there's a small hole there that at some point I'll put some kind of a like a sink drain or a tub drain in it. And this is where, in the wheel well, is where my shower is going to be. And there again, that'll all get explained at a later date. Come in, there again, just a different view. Here's the, once again, the floors. You know, I know a lot of you are going to say, well, there's a lot of gaps and a lot of, you know, but that's the look I was actually going for. This is not, for me, a full-time residence. It's just something I use when I travel. So I wanted that kind of the cabin in the woods look, and I think this is really going to give it to me. I'll be using this same wood on the walls and the ceiling. The walls, obviously, once I get the cabinets and everything in, 90% of the wall, and probably 70% of the floor you're not going to see. So anyway, I like it. So I'll be spraying polyurethane here in a little bit. And what I'll do is, once I spray the bed frame on the outside, anything I have left over in the can or the sprayer, I'll just come in here and do a light coat on the floor. Like I say, the areas that I know are going to be covered, I'll probably just do one coat on. And then as I continue to build, the middle section of the floor through here between the wheel wells will probably get, hopefully, 4 or 5 coats. It just kind of depends on how I'm feeling. Once I get those all done, obviously the edges of the floor, I'll probably get some either aluminum or steel L 1-inch angles and cut those and dress up that a little bit. Other than that, like I say, we're still kind of waiting on the spray foam. We sent them an email. They got back with us. They're actually going to be here in town this coming Monday, so they want to stop by and make sure that everything that we gave them as far as measurements is correct, so that they can do a really accurate estimate. And hopefully within the next week to 10 days that'll get done. Unfortunately, I've only got about another 4 weeks here in the Adirondacks before I have to head south myself. You know, but it was always whatever I get done, and as long as I'm helping Mike or Christina or whoever's here, whether it be Gina or Linda, whoever, we help people the best we can, and we'll get done what we get done. If it's not done, I'm pretty sure Mike will get tired of the winter at some point, maybe February, and probably come to Florida, and we'll do some work down there again. It'll get done eventually. Anyway, just wanted to show you the floors. Like I said, y'all stay safe, have fun, keep your projects rolling, and we'll see you next time. Bye.